ball wash. Keep the junk or the funk off your junk. No. I made my own slogan. Look at that. Love me. Love me. Love me, Susan. Anyway, it says sack spray. I just don't know. No. No. And this thing is really funny. So yeah. We'll find out what this is all about in another video, and we'll try it out and see if it's any good. Pretty good stuff. At least it smells good. I think I got the... which one did I get? I can't remember now. Was it the beach something, or was it the fresh spring? I can't remember. It was something good. Maybe it was this.
Likey.